It's an important job.
And it's a fun job. I'm Nancy Gaytan.
I'm Heraclio Gaytan. I'm her husband. We are DOT highway maintenance workers.
And this is why.
People get surprised when they hear that we work together.
But the hours in the job, they go with our life. We have different shifts. I am shift B.
I'm on shift A.
And they work for us because I'm in the afternoon and I have the time in the morning to put my kids in school, to make the home.
I get the kids in the afternoon when they come home from school, and we manage to be with the kids and be with us.
If you like to work outside, if you like to be on the road, if you like to do something for another people, like this is the job for you.
The school buses need to get to school, nurses, doctors need to get to hospital.
And it's not only for snow season, it's a whole year job. So in the snow, of course, you have your job, but and then in the summer and different weather, you're working. All year around, we make sure the roads are safe, clean and safe.
Great benefits, vacation, holidays, dental plan, health plan.
We have a good retirement system. Even if you become a seasonal employee, you get the benefits.
This is a good thing to do. You have a nice steady job and you're doing a good thing for your community, for your state, for your family, for friends.
We take pride in what we do, and we make a great team.